and here's another episode. I wanted me to record this, so he's the camera. I wanted to record this. So special. So because hate it. Because it's cool.
Chọn dắt chó rồi nó sẽ đi.
Mình biết rồi.
Muốn từng đâu có gì làm.
Trời ơi, pin mẹ ơi, lão thì giờ quay phê hay.
Ah, lift off. Oh look guys, I went to that. That's my field trip. That's my field trip. I went to that
Kéo xong không đều biểu tình, cái thứ ba đến biểu tình.
And I face the side so they could see. There's nothing there. I know. Look, I went there also as my field trip. Look, my field trip. Field trip. You can't even see because you're a bad recorder. Yeah, because there's a cub walking over there. Yeah, bad. We're on a trip. Move. Let's record in the front and then the back of us as well. I saw it 2 minutes so they could see. I think to see if there's any cops so they could see. I just sat down. So yeah guys, let's zoom into the car to see if there's anyone in the car. Why are you zooming into a bamboo tree? Oh, that's a bamboo tree? Oh yeah it is, because look at those lines on the, what was those called again? The branches. The trunk. Yeah, trunk. Trunk. I can't see. Okay. Which is known as Chinatown. Okay. Hi guys. So what do you have to say for the camera? I just saw a cockroach. I gotta record one, okay? Because I saw one and you were holding the camera.
Mấy bữa mẹ thì còn quá nhiều năm cũng hết.
It's so weird.
Hồi chín đầu mướn cho rửa trong luôn.
And also guys,